It's going to show how to use Google Sheets and a pivot table to get transactions ready for QuickBooks Online. Let's take a look. So let's say that we have a client who has a number of transactions that they paid for the personal account and their business transactions. So we need to put them into QBO, and we're going to do that with a monthly journal entry. So first thing, if we have these from a CSV file from the bank, they will come through something like this: day to description, out and in, and then I've created this category column. This is what we will use for our journal entry. So let's say these, the first thing you want to do is just enter these in. You can do this fairly quickly if you, if you group, sort by description there. So you want to do this and then just drill down. Let's say these we don't know yet. Then deposits. Oops. Right, something like that. So next thing we're going to do is create a pivot table from this data. Of course, if you have a lot of data, the more data you have, the more time this is going to save. And we'll do a new sheet, and we'll grab post date. Let's see. Oops. There we go. And don't need description. Category, let's go and put that in there. And then our columns would be outgoing and incoming, like that. Our values, let's see. Values would be outgoing sum, and actually, I think that's what I wanted instead. Outgoing, incoming, not count, but sum. There we go. Okay, so now we have our dates here, our category here, the total there. Now what we're missing, or what we still need, is we want these to be just by month here. So if we select this and then we right click, great, actually I think we just go in one here. Yes, create pivot date group, and then we can do this by month. So now we have what we need for a monthly journal entry. So this is taking all the merchant fees, summing them up, all the sales. So then you can go ahead and just take and create a journal entry from this table monthly. You could also format this and import it into journal entries, or upload it into QBO as journal entries. So I'm not sure which one would be faster. This depends on exactly what you're doing. But this should give you what you need for your monthly journal entry, your offset is going to be equity, since these came from personal funds in this instance.